So in this Moomoo tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to invest in the S&P 500 here on the Moomoo application. So once you open up Moomoo, what I want you to do is to go to the bottom left and in between watch list and accounts, press on markets. Once you're here, I want you to go to the top to where it says overview, and right beside that, as it was just on, press on US. Now once you're here, at the top there's the Dow Jones, the Nasdaq, and the S&P 500. Go ahead and press on the S&P 500 right here. Now once that is done, what you can actually do is simply just scroll down to where you can find things that make up the S&P 500. You can also go to ETFs right here, and there's a bunch of different ones. So for example, if you were to go to here and you want to invest in an S&P 500 index fund or an ETF, there's a bunch of different options right here. There is SPDR, SPDN, there's VOO, Vanguard SP 500 ETF, there's IVV, the iShares Core SP 500 ETF, as well as SPY. So for example, if we're going to be using SPY as an example, we'll press on SPY right here, then go to the bottom and press on buy, just like this. Once you're here, you can go and type in the order type. So if you want to go ahead here, you can go ahead and adjust the order type, the price, the quantity, etc. Once that is done, you can press on buy, and this will be you guys investing inside of the S&P 500 via an S&P 500 ETF that is shown to you guys right here. So very simple, very straightforward. That is how to invest in the S&P 500 on Moomoo. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.